after you had 6 or 7, that's your sauce as well. So by then,
Oh my God.
okay, you eat less at dinner.
Oh my God. I need some water, Brad.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing one of the tours that I was talking about in the video for what to do in St. Lucia 2019. And we have pedals here today.
Like that. Oh, wow.
We're gonna do a chocolate and rum tour today. So we're gonna be making our own chocolate, I think, and then doing the distillery tour. So
okay.
we're gonna pick up a few other people because we just we hijacked the bus. Like I told you guys, pickup is included in the tour. Late, a little late, but
Thank God for Lucian time.
thank God for Lucia.
Because
Yeah, we were late.
okay, that's better. My edges are not going away.
So if you guys should say a little hello to our celebrities in the back there.
Hi.
First used to make bourbon. So in other words, why reinvent the wheel? So we then outsource the barrels, and all we do is put our content inside, and we're able to get the same purpose of the barrels in terms of the inside charred coal and the oak wood, and then that gives color and flavor to our rums. So 90% of all our products are aged in barrels. We normally age between 2 and 5 year periods, but we also have some selective blends that we age between 8 and 12 years old. And we have about 8,000 barrels. What you see there is just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. Some we age in the open air, some we put in cellars, and some we put in closed rooms, because each atmospheric condition the rum differs in terms of flavor. Okay. Now, likewise, you see some bottles there. We don't make bottles, so we order our bottles from Europe, predominantly Italy, because they're a big wine producing country. But because we buy in bulk, give our specifications, able to get our bottles, and then all we do is add the label and content. So basically, our barrels for aging comes in from the USA, our bottle comes in from Italy. We get that?
Yeah.
Let's move on. Thank you. Sugar is now being converted into alcohol. When it becomes totally dormant and there's no more activity, the fermented wash is then transferred to what we call a rum pit. And the reason why we use a pit, so all the sediments could then go to the bottom whilst we extract the fermented wash, put them in the respective stills, and as the heat is generated, the process of oxidization takes place, and it converts from one stage to another. It takes between 32 hours and 48 hours for the fermentation process to be complete. And at the end of that process, we have 7 to 8% alcohol. Any questions? You understand that? Let's get to the bottom. Go to what we call the aging process. Notice the color of the rum gets darker with age. This is the external side of the barrel, as you notice, but the inside is burnt or charred with coal. And this is oak wood. So the combination of the rum and the water put into the barrel is what extracts the element of coal and oak wood and gives color and flavor to the rum. You wouldn't go to no boat ride or hotel if you don't hear about the manager's rum punch party. So it means if you want to have a big party home and spend little on alcohol, the recipe is now what we call rum punch. Combination, orange juice and pineapple, a little bit of lemon juice, add some grenadine syrup, put in a little nutmeg or spice, and you take an 80 proof, you put it in the bottle, and basically you can get the whole neighborhood drunk. So we're going to get to the tasting table, we're going to sample the product, and after that you give me your opinion, go to the rum shop, buy as much as you can, and goodbye and thank you for coming.
So we're going to now go to the tasting.
Anybody else? My hand pieces?
We did the history part of it, and
Sorry for taking it back.
I'm ready for us to taste alcohol. So we have 17?
17.
Okay, let's move on.
So
Thank you.
Okay, and I have a little coffee, so
Generous.
generous.
Anybody bold enough to try this one?
Yes, him.
You have?
Let's-
Buddy, oops, don't sip it. Just throw it in. Yes.
No,
that's
he don't
what
try
it
it yet. That was coconut.
Oh, okay, well, this
But he's
one.
about to try it
Yeah,
now.
But let me help you, because I don't want you to go head over heels. I don't want you to do anything that you will have regrets. I know she'll still get a facial expression, but just throw it back. Don't sip it.
It's rough.
It is the real McCoy, my brother. That's why I said to you that the so-called poor people
Try it.
are the wisest. Because they know they will walk into a rum shop with 5 bucks. And when they leave, they get drunk. So if the object is to get drunk, then that is the choice. Now, for people like you and me who have a little more disposable income, we can't leave that on the side. But then the hotels get smart as well. They give you a lot of rum punch and you think you're drinking food.
Yes.
But you have no idea after you had 6 or 7 that your sauce as well. So by then,
Oh my God.
you eat less of dinner.
Oh my god. I need some water, Brad.
So I just had the dinners. I've made rum with dinners, but I've never had a shot of dinners. Cleared. Cleared.
Okay, let me be the one to pour this one for you, sir. Give me this side, give me full of it. And let me be the one.
This will be for Sam.
Yes, I know, but you see, I don't want you to leave here uncomfortable. Just the experience is what I want you to have, you understand? Good. Now, let her know you don't sip this.
Knock it back.
Just knock it back. It's almost like tequila.
You ready?
What?
Sam.
Oh, that one?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Now, who's taking the picture? You?
Me.
No, wait. Okay, just wait for the expression first.
I got it.
Better try it.
Ready?
Take one.
And this is when you in cutmanship. You want to spend 2 to 4 hours talking. If you go on the other side,
That is something else.
that by the time I told that.
Wow.
Better your turn.
Read 5.
Okay, good,
One
good.
One more.
There she is.
Okay. Lady, I like a bold lady. Which means that he ain't getting nothing for the rest of the day.
Just be prepared. It burns.
It does not burn, it's just warm.
No, it burns.
It's Caribbean.
No, it burns. It burns.
There is water there, hopefully you can get a little bit better to diffuse the pallets. May I dispose of this for you?
Rum punch is not gonna let you.
As I said,
We can't make rum. We should not be generous is not good. Yes, yeah.
so you keep hearing. I'm feeling fast now.
I'm sweating bullets. I think this is the flu coming out of me. Because that shot of the, and it wasn't even like a full shot.
Hey, they might get me a
A little bit. It opened my whole lungs.
Oh no, I think that one is stronger than what that must be stronger than what they say.
I don't know, but it's in the same bottle.
No, Jim, that must be. I suspect this is not what the show is there. That's here, you see, that's after it changes the stills. I suspect that. I am sorry for anyone we ever gave from.
Look at the sweat.
I am sweating. I was sweating the whole time. I wasn't sweating, you know.
Look at my face. One shot. Not even a shot. A piece of a shot.
The whole time I was sweating. I was so proud of myself.
We sincerely apologize to all those people who we have given rum punch made with dinners.
And midnight ride is there.
Okay.
And I time.
It's been another time.
That's a story.
That's a story time. now we're at the chocolate place. We're gonna make chocolate. I'm still woozy from the shots, but I'm gonna see how best I can make some chocolate. And I think we get a chocolate souvenir to go home with. So
I hope I could put better.
I hope I could make, yeah, like write our names on it. Put my
OG vlogs
on there.
Subscribe to the vibe.
A quick closing check, you know, a little fit. Okay. Yeah, so just waiting. I think we're a little bit early today. So we're just waiting on the chocolate people to start up. But yeah, we're in this nice batik shop. It's pretty beautiful in here. Yep. Come through Heirtage Tours. Okay.
Are you familiar with this fruit? This would be a what?
Cocoa
Cocoa pod.
A
These are the
pod,
beans,
right,
yes.
right.
So how it works, our farmers, they go up to the tree and they hand select those based on the texture, the color, the feel, the weight of it. It looks like this on the inside, although this one is somewhat green. If you allow me a few more moments, I should get you a riper one. Okay? So the beans are white on the outside, brown on the inside. And of course, the locals, we usually suck on the seeds. I call them jungle M&Ms. So the beans are placed in the sun for 7 to 10 days to dry. The best dried beans are then chosen for the roasting process. What the roasting does, it would separate the husk from the bean, which allows easier access to the butter found inside the bean. And of course, these beans are roasted for 45 minutes for taste and quality purposes. If you continue mixing in the cocoa butter, you're going to get the desired results. Yes, we can add your cocoa butter. Yes, yours is ready.
Well, that melts fast.
Yeah, the heat really makes a difference.
That's hard work, Jeff. I'm Joseph.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so we just finished making our own chocolates, labeled and all of our names on it. The hardest thing ever. My hand is on fire. I never knew it took so long to make chocolate, but yeah, hopefully when we get the chocolate, it takes about 20 minutes to dry. So we just had
It's not drying.
Not dry. To solidify. To set in the fridge. So we're just having some drinks and we're gonna wait to see if our chocolates actually taste good. I tasted it. Mine was sea salt. I didn't taste any salt, but I don't know.
It is salty.
I don't, because I take a lot of salt, but there was ginger and I don't do ginger because my stomach. Right. Okay. We got aprons that we didn't use because we wanted to save them.
And it says
chocolate is the answer. Who cares what the question is? Facts. Yeah. So I'm gonna save that. I don't bake, I don't cook, but
You give it to me. To bake.
You could only use one at a time.
Get the cocoa.
The cocoa. And this is the other cocoa.
Okay, I got you know.
So hey guys, we are done with our 2 tours for the day. I have my chocolate, okay, and I'm still feeling the shot that I took earlier, but it was an amazing experience, right?
Yeah.
Like I feel like we don't realize how much stuff there is to do in St. Lucia, like, but I'm so thankful that I had to do this partnership with Heirtage Stores of St. Lucia because it's like bomb. Like the chocolate part was hard to make, to be honest.
Not hard. My arm just
my arm was waiting, but the end product, like I was like, I made my own chocolate like in under like an hour. That's good. That's good. So guys, definitely find things. If you're visiting, definitely check out Heirtage Stores, stlucia.org, and select one of these stores. I recommend this one and it's paired. So it's the rum and chocolate tour. And the next tour, I think we're going to be doing the waterfalls one. I can't wait to do that. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, bye.